I can hear the wind. Silent. We're here in the city of Long Beach. This area that we're in is called Naples. There's the Long Beach Yacht Clubs over here. You got famous restaurants such as Michael's, famous bar called Crow's, Ballast Point's just right across the way in the Alamitos Bay. There's a lot of stuff here. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous here. Mild temperature. Today there's a little bit of overcast, but that should be burning off by the late afternoon. Let's go check it out. Today we're doing 3 windows. We're doing 3 windows and 1 sliding door. We're 3 stories high, but actually it's 4 stories because there's a parking garage. So it's a 3-story building, but really it's 4 stories. So we're 40 something feet in the air right now. It's pretty high up here. I'm scared of heights and I'm not getting near this. So these are almond color windows. They're not your traditional white vinyl window, but it is 100%, now it's not painted, so it's solid almond. The color is solid throughout the whole frame. This is open, nice and smooth. Close. Look at the view. You can see the yacht club, the boats. Really nice. Let's look at this one. You can see the bridge, Marine Stadium. Easy open, easy close. Nice one too. I don't want to step on the couch to move it. Got the sliding glass door over here. Oh. Well, before it looked like the 1970s windows here, aluminum. You could hear outside. Now I can't hear nothing, and it feels a lot warmer. Earlier with this thing on open, it was cold. And now it's completely sealed. That's just nice. So that ensures a proper night of sleeping even with cars going by. Like right away, the client told me what they wanted. They're an investment property, and they look and they just see how clear it is. Even they came in and they were really surprised that they could see everything in one shot. Like compared to before, was it an aluminum window, kind of dirty, kind of stained up, and you know, it's hard to keep glass like that clean. Now with Cardinal glass and special OE film, you get spectacular views and, you know, easy maintenance, easy cleaning. And sure enough, we'll have a nice spot to enjoy summer here. There's a view over there, the ocean. This is a great place. Hey, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Please help me get some subscriptions. Push the red button. That's it. Any comments, anything? Send it to me and I'll answer. Thank you.